Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now you need to click on this icon with a camera and a photo located at the bottom left corner. After that, just click on your photos that you wish to add or select Gallery section instead. You can also select your photos from here. When you finished, tap on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!